I like seeing all the trees that have grown out of the old stumps. This one?
Join us for our video as we share with you our time while we were in Vancouver and on our way to Victoria Island. This is the Lynn Valley trailhead. Our friend Mark told us to do a nice evening hike here. It's Vancouver's inner city rainforest. Check it out.
Oh, little guy.
This is how we find out it's poisonous. You have something like that.
Holy shit, look at these things. It's the size of a cock. I shit you not.
Cock snail. Someone tell us what these cock snails are? Don't get my shot.
This is when we settled in at our parking spot for the night to watch the sunset at Iona Beach. I took a time lapse of us eating dinner and enjoying the sunset. Notice the planes and the boats come by in the distance. This was a pretty gorgeous spot, but we can't stay here for the night, so we're headed to the University of British Columbia to see where we can sneak a sleep. Now it's early afternoon, and we've made it early, on time, for our ferry all the way into Victoria.
This video does it no justice, but have you seen so many herons in one location? There's like 50.
Aggressive whale watching starts now. Now headed to Nanaimo with everyone else off the ferry.